Hi everyone, and welcome back to the VPN Ranks YouTube channel. I'm Hassan, and we're going to be diving into a question that most VPN users face when they're using a VPN. Why is my VPN speed slower than my internet speed? Stick around because we're going to discover why this happens and what you can do to solve this problem. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. If you're using a VPN and notice the internet speed drop significantly, you're not alone. This is actually pretty normal. So what happens is that when you connect to a VPN server, it reroutes your internet traffic through a secure tunnel connecting to a server on another side of the world. This process not only adds an extra layer of security, but it also connects you to an extra step during the internet connection, which slows down your speed. First of all, the longer the physical distance between you and the server you're connecting to, the slower your internet speed will be. So basically, if you're connecting to a server on the other side of the world, this is going to add more latency and more delay to your internet connection. The second factor most people forget to mention is encryption. Now, when you connect to a VPN, it encrypts your internet traffic, making it a little more expensive on your bandwidth. So while your data might be encrypted and more protected, your internet speed is going to suffer in the process. So while your VPN connection may be very secure, it may be a little more heavy duty as compared to the normal internet that you use on a daily basis. Another thing to consider is server load. If too many people are connected to the server you're using with the VPN, you might experience slower speeds than you might expect. You see, many people forget that there may be too many people connected to the server that you're using with the VPN. And if a server is overloaded, it will definitely result in slower speeds. Think of it like a traffic jam on the internet. Now let's talk about why your VPN app's speedometer shows different results from the average speed test websites. You see, different speed measuring tools search for different things. For example, the VPN app's built-in speedometer will measure for things like ping responses and internal calculations, while on the other hand, speed test websites like speedtest.net and other similar platforms search for real-world speed test results. For example, they upload and download test files to see where your internet speed actually stands. Now, these two methods aren't directly comparable, but because they're looking for different things on the spectrum. If you're still complaining that you're experiencing lower than usual speeds on your VPN, here are a few things you can actually do. The first thing you can do is switch servers. Sometimes the server you're connected to might just be too far away or too crowded. Try switching to a different server closer to you or one with fewer users. Second, check your encryption settings. Some VPNs allow you to adjust the encryption level. A lower encryption level might be faster, but remember, this could compromise your security. Third, check for VPN updates. Sometimes VPN apps have bugs or glitches that affect performance. Make sure your VPN software is up to date. And lastly, contact VPN support. If you've tried everything and still can't figure out the issue, it's time to reach out to your VPN provider's tech support. They might have more specific advice based on the VPN service you're using. To wrap things up, there may be several reasons why your VPN speed is slower than your internet speed. For example, distance from the server, encryption overload, server overload, or the type of speed test that you're running to check your VPN speed, all may be contributing factors to your slow internet speed. Now, there are a few things that you can do to fix your internet speed, but at least you will not lose your patience the next time your VPN is slower than your internet speed. With that said, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more VPN videos, and share this with anyone who needs to hear this message. Also, we'd like to hear from you in the comments. Have you noticed slow internet speeds because of your VPN? And what did you do to make the VPN speed faster? We'd love to hear from you. But until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.